Divya, I'm the founder of Brown Salt Bakery, and today we're going to make a chia seed parfait with fresh raspberries and basil. You need to take 1/3 cup of chia seeds in a bowl, then add about 1 cup of milk. You could take regular milk, almond milk, coconut milk, whatever milk you like. So coconut milk goes really well with this recipe. Just mix it up. Add a tablespoon of honey. If you want to make it vegan, you can even add a tablespoon of sugar or jaggery, whatever sweetener you like. Just mix it up really nicely. And then you need to set this aside for at least 15 to 20 minutes. So now after about 20 minutes, this is how it will look. So this is your chia seed pudding, which we'll use to make the parfait. You can even pop it in your fridge one night before and you can have a breakfast ready for the morning. Just pick it up and put your toppings and you're ready. So we've paired it with the rose and pistachio granola. Add some raspberries. Basil goes really well with the rose and the raspberries. Done. So you can just pop this in the fridge. When you have guests over, you can just like make it like a quick healthy dessert. Chia seed parfait.